Use the key to open the battery cover. Take out the battery. Press and hold the power on button for 15 seconds to release the residual electrical energy. Tear off the sticker. Place an object underneath to prevent the screws from falling into the vehicle body. Use a 3 mm hex key to unscrew 4 fixing screws. Remove the battery lock. Disconnect the 3-wire harness terminals on the right side. Remove the 3-wire harnesses from the card slots. Use a 2.5 mm hex key to remove the screws that fix the forehead bottom plate. Use a 2.5 mm hex key to remove the wire harness housing. Pull out the junction box and unplug all the terminals. Use a 4 mm hex key to loosen the stem locking screw. Remove the rubber plug. Use a 5 mm hex key to loosen the boom screw. The screw cannot be removed. Remove the head tube decorative shell. Remove the headset cover. Pull out the wire harness. Remove the junction box. Thread the wire harness through the head tube trim. Thread the wire harness through the head tube and out through the battery compartment. Separate the purple wire harness to the left side of the head tube. Install the headset cover. Install the head tube decorative part. Align the raised parts and install the stem. Pre-tighten the boom screws first. Adjust the handlebars to be straight. Tighten the boom screw. Alternately tighten the left and right locking screws repeatedly. Reinstall the rubber plug. Refer to the video and insert the terminals back by aligning the terminal grooves with the interface protrusions. The two yellow-sleeved terminals are on the right side of the vehicle. Two gray-sleeved terminals are on the left side of the vehicle. Insert the headlight terminal. Align the raised part of the junction box with the groove of the stem and install it. Install the wire harness cover. Tighten the fixing screws. Reinstall the forehead bottom plate. Adjust the front light to the highest position. Screw in the fixing screws. Adjust the headlight to an appropriate position. Connect the lower terminals. Make sure the connection is secure. Connect all the terminals. First, insert the green wire harness into all the slots on the right side. Then insert the red wire harness into slots 1, 3, and 5 on the right side. Then insert the purple wire harness into all the slots on the left side. Finally, insert the red wire harness into the remaining 2 slots. Arrange the wire harness neatly so that there is no crossing or tangling. Install the battery lock. Apply thread locking adhesive to the screws. Pre-tighten the 4 screws in a crisscross pattern first. Then tighten them all. Apply the stickers evenly. Reinstall the battery and the cover plate.